Ever wondered how a small-town dreamer from Elmhult transformed into a global tycoon, birthing the iconic brand we all know as IKEA? It turns out the magic recipe wasn't just Swedish meatballs and minimalist furniture designs. Meet Ingvar Kamprad, a maverick molded by the whimsy of his Småland upbringing, a tale where stubbornness and Småland ingenuity collided. Picture a childhood painted with love, wrapped in imagination, and set against the backdrop of a safe haven nestled in the embrace of forests and meager soil. In this haven, grown-ups had time to play and listen, creating the perfect breeding ground for a future business maestro. Step into the enchanting world that sculpted a regular lad into a legendary entrepreneur. The saga of Ingvar Kamprad awaits, and it's far from your typical success story. Explore untold stories of iconic brands and personalities at the Bullish Society. Uncover forgotten archives, secrets, and narratives that shaped our world. Meet visionaries, voices of change, and immerse yourself in defining stories. Subscribe now and join our community of storytellers. Don't miss the tales behind every success and failure. Born on March 30, 1926 in Smålandia, Sweden, Ingvar Theodor Kamprad's journey from a small-town lad to a global business magnate is shaped by a unique family legacy. In 1897, his grandfather's business faced bankruptcy, but his grandmother, Frances, rescued it, instilling in young Ingvar resilience and determination. Under his grandmother's influence, Kamprad developed astute marketing skills, earning acclaim as a savvy entrepreneur. Lacking formal education, he compensated with boundless enthusiasm. His entrepreneurial spirit ignited during childhood, where he cut his teeth on small-scale deals like bulk buying pencils and matches for resale to classmates. Kamprad's self-made education extended from fish trading to dealing in Christmas cards, proving that life's experiences became the blueprint for IKEA's future success. As his peers reveled in football fields and teenage romance, the future tycoon had his eyes set on business expansion. In 1943, at the age of 17, Kamprad utilized savings and a loan from his father to birth IKEA. The support from his father, who believed he was financing his son's education, marked the humble beginnings of a global business empire crafted not from textbooks, but from the first-hand experiences and determination of a visionary entrepreneur. The genesis of the name IKEA is a clever fusion of Ingvar Kamprad's initials, IK, and the first letters of Emtarid and Agunarid, the farm and village of his upbringing. But IKEA's story goes beyond nomenclature. It weaves through the early endeavors of a young Kamprad trading an array of items, from matches to discount stockings. In the early 1940s, sensing a demand for novelty, Kamprad ventured into the pen trade, ordering 500 pens from Paris on a loan of 500 SEK, around $63 at the time. This marked his first and last alliance with borrowing. To draw attention to his store, the budding entrepreneur offered a free cup of coffee and a bun to attendees at a store presentation. Little did he anticipate over 1,000 eager participants. While the first presentation almost became the last, the unexpected turnout planted the seed for IKEA's future in-store fast food concept. Recognizing that furniture was a luxury for many due to prohibitive costs, Kamprad pivoted in 1948 to the furniture trade, ultimately becoming IKEA's profit cornerstone. Sourcing from cost-effective suppliers, he introduced the root chair, naming convention initiated due to Kamprad's aversion to numeric designations. In 1951, the IKEA news booklets emerged, a precursor to the modern catalogs, targeting customers with medium and low incomes. Kamprad's mantra became clear: it is better to sell 600 chairs at a lower price than 60 chairs at a high price. The early 50s saw him acquiring a small old factory in Sweden, facilitating even cheaper furniture production. Yet, This move sparked controversy, leading to boycotts and a fallout with the Swedish Federation of Wood and Furniture Industry. For most, this might spell disaster, but not for Kamprad and IKEA. Adversity birthed innovation, prompting the entrepreneur to source furniture components from Polish suppliers, reshaping the company's future strategy. Thus, Kamprad's unorthodox steps not only defied industry norms but propelled IKEA into a global force by sourcing where it made the most economic sense. In 1953, the inaugural IKEA furniture showroom emerged in Älmhult, Sweden, pioneering the concept of allowing customers to experience furnishings firsthand before making a purchase. Fast forward 5 years, a colossal 6,700 square meter store resembling the modern-day IKEA establishments opened its doors. Interestingly, the initial color palette was red and white, later evolving into a familiar yellow and blue, mirroring Sweden's national colors. As the 60s dawned, Ingvar Kamprad shed the aura of a small-land miracle child, transforming into a formidable competitor characterized by confidence and a touch of danger. His journey to the United States in the early 60s exposed him to the cash-and-carry trade system, inspiring the establishment of the IKEA Kungens Kurva store near Stockholm in 1965. Incorporating American lessons but creatively enhancing them, the store strategically occupied a suburb with lower land costs and a vast parking lot. Taking a cue from American self-assembled furniture preferences, IKEA began offering ready-to-assemble items, efficiently transported in flat packages. Recognizing the emerging car culture in Sweden, Kamprad promoted shopping in distant areas by selling roof racks at discounted prices. This strategic move led to a remarkable doubling of the company's turnover within a year. IKEA's largest store in Sweden, with a design reminiscent of New York's Guggenheim Museum, opened its doors under Kamprad's vision. However, the initial success posed a challenge: a shortage of goods on the shelves due to overwhelming demand. Responding ingeniously, Kamprad introduced a self-serve warehouse, unintentionally stumbling upon a formula for sustained success. Each IKEA store, resembling a sprawling showroom, showcases a plethora of items from sofas to tablecloths. Customers envision their purchases in a real-life setting, then conveniently proceed to the self-serve warehouse, where they transport and assemble their furniture using clear and sensible instructions. This accidental discovery became the cornerstone of IKEA's enduring prosperity, providing customers with a unique and immersive shopping experience. After conquering Sweden, IKEA sets its sights on global markets, commencing its international expansion in 1963, with the opening of the first store outside Sweden in Oslo, Norway. Simultaneously, IKEA implemented a quality control system in the 1960s, earning recognition for its products as the best in quality by esteemed Swedish journals. Decision-making was marked by spontaneity. The choice to enter conservative Switzerland, for example, hinged on a chance encounter where Ingvar Kamprad overheard a young couple expressing their desire for a chair in Zurich. This incident led to the establishment of IKEA in Switzerland in 1973, followed by expansions into Australia, the Netherlands, France, and the USA. As of September 2023, IKEA boasts 462 stores across 63 countries. In 1986, Ingvar Kamprad retired from group management, assuming an advisory role at the parent company Inka Holding BV, with Anders Moberg taking the helm as president and CEO of the IKEA Group. The 1990s saw the introduction of IKEA's first environmental policy, emphasizing environmental responsibility in all business activities. Anders Dalvig succeeded Moberg, and in 2000, IKEA embraced the digital age by introducing e-shopping in Sweden and Denmark, later expanding to numerous countries. Jesper Broden currently serves as the CEO of Inka Holding BV, overseeing the majority of IKEA's stores. Ingvar Kamprad's personal life unfolded through two marriages. His first wife, Kirstine Wadling, blessed him with a daughter, Annika Kilbaum, while his second wife, Margareta Kamprad Stennert, played a pivotal role in realizing IKEA's dream. Sadly, Margareta passed away in 2011. The couple had three sons, Peter, Jonas, and Matthias, while IKEA faced competition from various quarters, including Argos in Italy and Ilva in Denmark. Ingvar Kamprad believed in the unique offerings of his stores, providing customers with essential items, visual and tactile experiences, and an unparalleled sense of pleasure. Ingvar Kamprad passed away peacefully in his sleep on January 27, 2018. At the age of 91, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and entrepreneurial brilliance. As of November 2014, his net worth stood at $3.8 billion. Peter Agnef-Jol assumed the role of president and CEO of the IKEA Group on September 1, 2013, contributing to the continued growth and success of the iconic brand. Thanks for joining us on this captivating journey through the stories that shape our world. Your support keeps the Bullish Society thriving. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss a captivating story. More incredible stories and interviews are coming your way. Stay tuned for what's next on the Bullish Society.